Cozy House Essentials back at you again with another custom home interior design video. As you can see, we are on the second floor of this home. Let's go ahead and check out some of the beautiful perks. Usually the kids do reside on the second floor, and this beautiful Jack and Jill bathroom is nicely set up with two vanities on each side and the shower in the middle. This room is connected. I'm loving the olive green accented wall and the neutral colors of grays and whites and creams in this room. Very nice. And we'll go ahead and go over to the second bedroom area here. And once again, this room will also have very neutral colors in here as well on that olive green, neutral tan, white tones in this room. Beautiful wall decor there and just nice interior design in this room. And you'll have a TV area out here for the kids to do TV watching. And right away we'll go to the hall area, which there's beautiful design here. I love the accented wall with the windows here, very nice, and the very modern contemporary staircase here, which will lead you into a very open living room floor plan. As you can see right away, lots of windows all the way around and very open, airy space. Beautiful console and gigantic pictures here. Such a beautiful, space to put big pictures with the high ceilings. And then your dining room area is very green, and you have a very nice view here looking at your outdoor living space there. If you like looking at custom homes and interior design, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.